Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to force quit on Mac. While Mac apps are usually incredibly stable, we might come along a rogue application that decides to go unresponsive. The only thing left to do is to force quit it, which luckily is very simple on Mac. Press Command-Option-Escape. When the force quit window appears, select the app that you want to quit and click Force Quit. Confirm Force Quit. As a bonus point, you may see Not Responding next to the offender app name, which will also be in red. That's one simple trick to help you fight apps that might not function as intended, whether they are a beta app, just a faulty update version, or simply an unstable piece of coding. Have you ever had an app freeze on Mac? What app was it? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.